Hi, my dear viewers and students. Today we are going to explain about very important question public examination, especially BCA second semester. Okay, university students. Okay, object-oriented programming concept. Damn sure 10 marks essay question in public examination, especially in a university. BCA syllabus. Okay. Our channel is Murthy Technology channel. It's very useful to learn, easy to get the good marks in computer programming language, especially degree. Please like and share and subscribe. Okay, we will today explain we are very good important question, 100% 10 marks question, that is called object oriented programming concepts in C++. Okay, here how to explain what is the meaning of object oriented programming concepts. Here object oriented concept, object means it is a real time item. Real time item, for example, table, pen, book, pencil, these are called objects in real times. In the similarly objects in programming language, student, a person, animal, okay, apple, these are the also called objects in real time programming. Here object oriented programming concept in C++, using objects we can create different types of concepts. Okay, in object oriented programming it's very with the object oriented technologies, they are providing the security of data rather than functions. Today we are explaining about object oriented programming concepts. Okay, OOPS means object oriented programming treats data critical element in the program development. Because of in C language, we are giving importance of only functions but not data. But in object-oriented programming, especially object-oriented programming, we are especially giving importance only for data. That is called data is a critical element. That means important data item in object-oriented programming is called data. We are not giving the importance of functions. We are giving the importance of only for data in object-oriented programming concept. OOPS ties data and data more closely to functions, operate and data. That means in object-oriented programming, object containing data and functions. Okay, the data should be used by the functions only but not others. Okay, those data should be used by the only functions. What is the meaning of data? Student roll number, name, okay, name, address, etc. What are the functions? Student marks report, student performance, student activities, student cultural activities. These are actions are called functions. Okay, you will explain clearly. Here, for example, this is the object-oriented programming technology. Object A, object B, object C. Each and every object containing two parts. One is called data, another one is called functions. Data is nothing but a roll number, name, mobile number. Fields are called data. Functions are nothing but actions. But that means actions is nothing but a, for example, as a student, student marks report, student activities, student hobbies, student mark list information, student activities, student cultural activities. These are actions, for example. Okay, data and functions in a single unit is called a object. Each and every object communicate with the help of functions. Okay, functions, each and every function communicates through only for object functions. Each and every object communicate with the help of only for functions. Here we will clearly explain what is the meaning of object. Object is called a software entity. It contains data and set of data. That data should be manipulated with functions. Okay, object is nothing but a software entity. Entity is nothing but item. Entity is nothing but a item. It is called an item that combines set of data, the operate and manipulate the data. An object is a instance of class. Object is an instance of class is nothing but once create a class, the class once create the class, then we are creating object. First class, then object. First we must create the class, then create the object. That is called object is called an instance of class. Object created with the help of class. Okay, first to create the class, then we are creating object. That is the called second point. Object is a instance of class. Okay, here each and every object state and behavior of the object. Each and every object it produce some different type of states and behaviors. For example, we will explain clearly with the graphics also. What is the meaning of class? Class is similar to object because of class is defined as a blueprint of the object. So first we create the class, then we are creating the object. So here class is nothing but a model, blueprint is nothing but a model or plan of object. One object we want to create with the help of class. First create the class, then create the object. So class is called a model or blueprint of object. Okay, Here class is a plan or template. Okay, it is a user defined data type. For example, into char float, these are called predefined data types, but we are creating the user own created data type, that is called a class. We will explain clearly with the examples also. A class containing two things. One is called data members and functions. Members is data members is nothing but a roll number, name, etc. Member functions is nothing but the functions which will operate the data. Here we will create, for example, it's a student class. For example, here we will create the example student class. Student class, what are the objects? Student class containing data members. Data members is nothing but a variables. What are the data members available? Roll number, name, mobile number, etc. Okay. Next one, what are the functions we need to create? Functions is equal to, for example, marks report. Marks report. Next one, address. Next one, activities. Okay, these are the simple functions. Data is nothing but roll number, name, mobile number. Those variables are called data. Functions are nothing but you want to create the mark list with the help of data. You want to provide the address with the help of data. What are the activities, cultural activities or maybe games, etc. You will have the help of functions. Functions is nothing but a action. Okay. Here next one, encapsulation. Encapsulation, capsule. Capsule is nothing but a medical capsule. You know about medical capsule containing medical powder. In the similar, encapsulation is nothing but it is one of the feature of object-oriented programming. Encapsulation also data hiding technology. Data hiding technology. Data hiding technology. Encapsulation is a data hiding technology. That means wrapping data plus functions into a single unit, okay, called encapsulation. Example, class. Here simply what the purpose of what is the meaning of encapsulation means data on functions in a single unit called encapsulation. Who provides encapsulation? Class. Is the same class containing data and functions. Class containing data and functions. Okay. Here encapsulation nothing but is data hiding technology. It is provided with the help of class only. Provided with the help of class. Class containing only for data and functions. In here the encapsulation is nothing but data hiding security purpose. Data hiding provided with the help of class. So data and functions in a single unit. Here abstraction. It is similar. Abstraction is also provided by the classes. Classes is a concept of abstraction. Here similarly abstraction is nothing but it represent essential features without including the background details or explanation. For example, you are a customer, you want to know about your bank balance at SBI bank. For example, you go to SBI bank, you tell your account number. Immediately manager, maybe bank employee, automatically he will give only for your details, your balance account to your balance money, etc. But you don't want to ask the other details of bank employee. Okay, because of we are providing only necessary details but not including other and background details. Okay, that is called abstraction. It is indirectly data hiding security. Data hiding security. It is provides with the help of classes. That abstraction is nothing but we provide only necessary information but not provide other unnecessary information. That is called abstraction. Inheritance. Inheritance we explained already in one video actually. Inheritance is nothing but adopting characteristics of one class into another class. For example, you are a person, you have a qualities of your father and mother. Okay, you are a person, child created through father and mother, is child having the qualities of father and mother. Similarly, inheritance is nothing but create a child class with the help of parent class. Okay, there are two types of classes. One is called base class. Base class is nothing but a parent class, and another one is called a child class. Child class is nothing but derived class. Deriving nothing but creating a new class. Derived means creating a new class. Here clearly what we explained, there are different types of inheritances. Single inheritance, for example, single inheritance, multi-level inheritance, multiple inheritance, hybrid inheritance, hybrid inheritance. So these are different types of inheritances available in the concept. We will explain only for few concepts in the 10 marks question. Okay, that inheritance is nothing but creating a child class with the help of parent class. Polymorphism. Another concept is nothing but polymorphism. Polymorphism is nothing but it means ability to take more than one form. Ability to take more than one form. For example, in general life, you are a student. You are behave as a student at class and college, but you are a person as a child of your father. You are a person as a friend of your friend. Okay, one person acting different, one person acting different behaviors. For example, you are a person as a student in college. You are a person as a child in house. You are a person, your friend in your friend. Okay, so one person behave different behaviors in the similar is able to take more than one form is called a polymorphism. So, for example, operation may exhibit different behavior in different instances. Different situations, different behaviors we will implement. For example, it's a bird. Each and every bird attributes feathers, layers. Each and every bird having attributes, feathers and layers. But there are different types of birds are available: flying birds, non-flying birds. Flying birds and non-flying birds. In the similar, the polymorphism is nothing but we create one form with the help of more than one action. Create one form with the help of more than one action. Okay. Here another thing, applications of OOPs. Applications of OOPs is nothing but what are the different, where we are using applications of OOPs, where you are object-oriented programming technology available in the nowadays. Real-time systems. Real-time system nothing but artificial intelligence, robotics, etc. Object-oriented databases, Oracle, what we are storing, Aadhaar card numbers, maybe person details, except population details, etc. Hypertext and hypermedia, websites, what we are developing, different types of websites, online websites, artificial intelligence, okay, robotic technology, expert systems, that means we are using different types of critical data storage in different places. These are the concepts what we explained in the object-oriented programming technology. Definitely you will get 10 marks in the public examination. I will explain simply. Okay, here clearly what we are explaining object-oriented programming. For example, this is an object. For example, it is an object. It is called object. What we are writing, it is called a object. It's an object containing two parts. Object containing two parts. One is called data. Another one is called functions. Okay, data is nothing but what type of data we will implement. Data is nothing but what we are creating data. Here we will create clearly writing that is nothing but roll number, name, etc. Functions is nothing but actions. For example, reports, display, comma, address, etc. These are the functions. Okay, simply write the class. What is the object name? Object name is equal to student. Object name is equal to student. Student contain roll number, name, marks, etc. I want to display the student information. I want to display one address information. This is called the object. Okay, here we are creating object. But how to create the class and objects in the C++ programming with the help of one small example. Okay, we are clearly writing some small example. Okay, simply we are creating class. It's called a student. Then we will start the open bracket. Int roll number, here char name of, for example, 30. So I want to write public. This public is nothing but the access specifier. You want to write the public is nothing but access specifier. What are the functions we need to write? Void display. This is called a function. Functions are nothing but they are functions. With the help of functions we will implement different types of actions. Here we will write the function open bracket, simply cout some information hi, okay, close. This is the function. Once complete the function, simply cout, okay, hi message, then close, semicolon. Okay, so simply open, close. Here after complete that, simply write the close the class with semicolon. Here clearly observe what we are writing here. Class is a student, student is a object, for example class name is student. What are the variables available? Roll number, name are called data members. What are the functions available? Display function, it displays only for cout. Cout is nothing but a displays the information. It ends with semicolon actually, semicolon. Okay, after complete the class, we must to close the class with semicolon. How to create the object? For example, simply after create the class, simply create object void main. Void main. So I want to create the object of class student OB. OB is nothing but an object. How to access my display function? Object OB dot display. Close. Okay. Here a very simple example on object one programming to get the 10 marks definitely. So class name is called student. What are data members? Roll number, name. Okay, these are called data members. What are the functions available? Functions available in the public section. Public is nothing but access specifier. I want to write simply only one function, that is called display. Display function displays only for hi. Okay. After complete that, close the function and close the class with semicolon. Here last one, close the class with semicolon. Next one, how to create object of my class? What is my class name is called student. Okay. Immediately I want to create main function. What is the name of the class? Student space object name. Any name that is called OB is called object name. I want to access the display function OB.display. Okay, OB.display. Here we will explain clearly. This is very important explanation for object and program technology. Okay, you will definitely get the 10 marks in public examination, especially BCA. Okay, thank you very much. Please subscribe, like and share my Murthy Technology channel. It's easy to get the good marks in computer science subject. Thank you.